Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Tera Custom Cooldown, a program made by Folio, which is a Tera EU player. And I'm in this page and this is the download for TCC. But first we have to hide our actual UE elements. So I'm gonna download this file, which I leave the link in the description. And I'm gonna extract this here. Okay, now I have to open the Tera folder and going in client, S1 game, cooked PC, R data, packages, and here I have already used it, but I'm gonna place this file I just downloaded inside it. This is to hide the UE elements, and now I'm gonna show you there is no UE elements on Tera. Here we are. As you can see, there is no UE elements like my HP bar or mana bar, or even if I make a group, it won't show it, because all these functionalities I'm gonna add using the Tera Custom Cooldown. So I'm gonna log it out, and meanwhile download the TCC. Okay, I'm gonna place it in the same folder. It doesn't actually make a change if you place it in another directory. I'm gonna extract it, and this is my TCC. I'm gonna launch the tcc.exe and update the database. Okay, it's ready. So now I'm gonna launch the Tera again. And I'm going to configure TCC a bit. Here I have all my UE elements, and I'm going to configure them. So First of all, I don't need the chat, so I'm gonna disable it. And I also disabled the cooldown window since I don't use it. Then the boss settings, I have to configure it when I actually fight the boss, or I'm in the room where the HP bar of the boss is showed. So actually I don't care. The character window is oh yeah, we have to set the click-through mode to never to actually make it movable. So we have here we can scale it for having it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna set it to 1.5, 1.2, 1.25, yeah. And auto dim is actually used to make it transparent where you're not in a fight. You can decide how many transparent will be. I'm gonna set it to 0.50. Okay, now the buff window is this one. No, it's not this one. It's stuck somewhere in the screen. Okay, I found it. I'm gonna set this even to 0.50 from right to left, left to right, yeah, here. Then I'm gonna set again the click-through mode to always, so I don't actually click on it when I'm moving my mouse. Same things for the character. If you want to reposition it, you just need to set again a click-through mode to never and move it. But I leave it like this. Then we have the class window settings is actually specific for every class, and like for the Lancer, it's gonna show you the number of stacks you have, the cooldown for Infuriate, Guardian Shout, and Adrenaline Rush. And I wanted to, I remember it was 0.85, yeah, and the same things as previous. Okay. And set again click-through mode, and this I'm not gonna show you. You have to modify that when you will be in game in actually group. And yeah, that's all. You can play a bit with these options to make your UE elements actually bigger or smaller, or transparent or not. I particularly like the undim mode for the buff window. Basically, it says you can click and move it when you're not in a fight, but when you actually use a skill, you cannot. Oh, fuck that. well, it should work. Yeah, it works. I'm using skill and I cannot click over this. And well, there are more functionality about this program. For example, I can see the number of Vanguard's quests I do on every my character, and the dungeons entries I actually have on every character. Yeah, I actually haven't do any dungeon. So that's pretty all. I'm actually using TCC to make my EU elements lighter, and to do not have an FPS drop when using a rush. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed and you're going to use this fabulous program because it's actually amazing for my FPS. And thank you for watching and see you in next video.